Okay. Now here, construct an isosceles triangle in which length of equal side is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. This is a exercise 10.3 question number 2 I am discussing here. So how will you draw it? So the name of the triangle is not mentioned, so we can take any name of the triangle. Let's the triangle take triangle PQR. Okay, in which if we will take measurement Q is equals to 110 degree, that means my PQ must be of 6.5 centimeter and my QR is also of 6.5 centimeter, because Q Q the angles between the equal side is angle Q. Okay, so this is how you have to draw. Now we will draw the rough sketch before we draw before we construct a triangle. So I am drawing a rough sketch. I am keeping Q here. See, I'll draw it for you. Okay, and I am keeping Q this. So my PQ is here 6.5 centimeter and this is also 6.5 centimeter QR. We don't need to worry about this PR as it is not given in the question. Now our base side or the side which is in the down is QR and that is of 6.5 centimeter. So using the scale I will draw a line segment QR. Okay, and that is 6.5 centimeter. This is 6 and then this is 6.5. So this is my another dot. Okay, now I got these two dots. I will join these dots and this is my QR. Now I have to draw angle Q of 110 degree, children. So using this, okay, now 110 is obtuse angle. Remember this. So your 110 degree is above in the ahead of the 90 degree. So using the protractor you have to, this is 110 degree, children. So keep this. So this is obtuse angle. Okay, sorry, little bit. You have to be very careful with angles and all. Okay, let me do it again. Keep this line like this only. It must be merged with the zero line. Yeah, it is 1 minute. This is now merged with the zero line. Now 110 degree you have to write here. So this is your point, and now if you join the Q with this point and extending as a ray, so that is of, so this is a, this angle is become 110 degree angle. Okay, now this is 110 degree angle, children. Now what you have to do is you have to cut a arc of 6.5 centimeter on this line or this ray. Okay, so as you all know that this is of 6.5 centimeter, so you can take the measurement of QR. 1 minute, or you can take the help of the scale as well, children. That's up to you how you have to draw. Okay, if I am taking this measurement, yes, this is a measurement, and then cut a arc on this ray of radius 6.5 centimeter. So this is my 6.5 centimeter, and this point is become point P. Now as you know that PR has been not mentioned, so what you have to do is simply join this P with R, and this is your triangle PQR, okay, which is isosceles triangle, and the side PR is of PQ is of 6.5 and PR is of 6.5. Now after writing this, we will write steps of construction.